This is my family. In this occasion, we celebrate the birthday of my younger sister. We made a toast in her honor and asked for a love life for her. In the background on the left side is my mom. Her name is Emilce. She is 48 years old. Her hair is short and with some bright eyes, honey-colored eyes, and some mark over the ears. She is wearing a gray t-shirt. My mom is of a strong but very sensitive temperament. Immediately, immediately, this is my son. His name is Philippe. He is 12 years old. He has short black hair, brown eyes, and some mold on his face that are a gray color. He is wearing a dark gray t-shirt with blue pants and a light gray jacket on top of blue coat. He is very affected and quite funny. Next you, next you, I am. My name is Tiana. I am 28 years old. My hair is black and long. My eyes gray strange because with the water or emotion change color. I wore glaze. At this moment, I am wearing a gray sweater adorned with some earring and overlapping embroidered shirts. I am very charismatic, hardworking, and dedicated to my son and my study. Beside my sister Daniella, she's 20 years old with dark brown hair, somewhat short, honey-colored eyes, and some mauve on her face. She is very tender, sensible, and more than loving. In the background, on the right side is my daddy. His name is Alejandro. This most important man in my life. Thanks to him, I am the person I am. He is wearing an orange coat with blue letters, like blue shears. His hair is short black and with my gray hair. My country is tan skin color and nose of people eyes eyesight. My daddy is the most dedicated to this family, loving, good friend, and advisor. And finally, next you heard my younger sister Mayra, who was honored on the time turning system. She is wearing a white shirt with and pattern on pink flowers, and underneath she looks a skeleton with white lights. She has hair look black, brown eyes, and broad smile. She is of a strong temperament, likes rock, and is from the Harry Potter movies.